Hi, I'm Cat Navarro with IdeateTV, and I am here with Ted Jin, who is the founder of Chi, which is a tea that cleans your mouth. So, Ted, tell me a little bit about this, because this is really interesting.
Well, we're really excited to be here, and Chi is the world's first drink for your oral health. It's been proven to actually reduce plaque by about 70% in your mouth, and that actually mimics a quick brush on the go, so it helps you stay fresh between morning and night.
How does it do that?
We've actually identified a specific ingredient in here that we've developed called Zivita. And what Zivita does is it actually helps focus on certain types of bacteria that cause things like cavities, gingivitis, and bad breath, and actually prevents them from fermenting other types of ingredients and creating things like biofilms or plaque. So it effectively reduces the amount of plaque in your mouth.
What inspired you to found this, and how did you know about that ingredient?
Well, a lot of us here at the company, we come from a background of working in CPGs, in oral care categories, in drink categories, and we just felt, people really take care of themselves in the morning and at night. But in the middle of the day, that's when really a lot of the things that we're doing bad to our teeth are taking place. Yeah. We're eating a lot of acidic foods, we're taking a lot of sugar-sweetened beverages, and so how do we take a bad habit and make it a good one? Right. And that's exactly what we did.
Right, because people, between coffee and tea, you'll drink a lot, and so if you could be cleaning your teeth each time you do that, maybe people wouldn't need to go to the dentist as much?
We are friends of dentists. They're our best friends, to be honest, and we say, dental checkups are amazing, and really, this is something that is really for them as well. I think a lot of dentists that we've spoken to have said, how do I get my patients to stop drinking, call it a Coke or something like that? Yeah. And this is an opportunity for them to actually recommend something that is also healthy, right. Something that they'll actually enjoy.
What have the challenges been as far as launching a new product?
I'd say it's like actually getting people to sit down and learn about it.
Yeah.
Because I think a lot of the more of the trendy drinks out there, there's a lot of established trends, right? Yeah. People are like, okay, antioxidants, caffeine energy, but this is a new category and we're really pioneering it. So to try and get people to actually pay attention and stand up has been kind of the challenge. But I'd say it's one that when we get people into it and they try it, yeah. It's like it melts away. They understand right away.
How long have you guys been around?
We've been around as a company for the last year and a half, working in R&D, and we have a great team back home, food scientists, microbiologists, and dentists that work on this project. And we've actually just launched 2 months ago.
Wow, where is home?
Toronto, Canada.
Oh, okay, so you guys are coming from abroad.
That's right. That's right.
That's great. Now, where can we buy this?
We're available right now online 24/7, so you can check us out on Amazon. We also go through our own website. And we're here at Expo West actually securing distribution. So I guess that's something that we hope to get up really wide on in the next few months.
Right, exactly. That's so cool. Do you guys have different flavors?
We do. So we have a few flavors. Right now we have a lemongrass ginger green tea that's out. We also have a classic oolong tea. And the next month we'll be launching 3 new flavors, a white peach tea, a pomegranate tea, and a lychee tea.
With all of these teas, do they have the same amount of caffeine as regular tea?
They do, and so it's brewed actually with an organic tea, and so it approximately has about 35 to 40 milligrams of caffeine per serving.
Okay, great.
Mm-hmm.
So a tea that also makes your teeth look nice is for your health as well. Exactly. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us.
I'm Kat with IdeateTV.